All right, so this is a lesson on ORION by Metallica. This is the triple lead. So we start out by raking the strings. We're gonna rake down those big strings to get to the 9th fret of the G string. We're gonna bend that up real slowly, and then. So we had a slow bend with a rake, and then up and down. 6 to 4 pull off, back to the 6. You could also do this 5 down here if you want in the 2nd string. Puts you in that position. Okay, so up and down, 6, 4 to 6, does that twice. The 3rd time, I'm gonna go back to the 9 here. We're gonna go. So we hit that 7th fret of the D string 3 times. And check out the tab on this because it'll have which ones are staccato and which ones are held, right? So then the next part's gonna go. Same stuff. We have a cool little ending there, okay? So we had. Sevens on the D. Same thing on the A. We have 6 on the D. 6 to 7, kind of hammer. Slide that 7 to 9, and then the solo starts. So once again, we got. We're gonna do that twice. We're gonna skip to the next part. You got those 7s on the D. Okay, now the solo. Okay, so we have a 9 on the A string. So we wait till like the first part of that next new beat, and we have 7, 9, 7, 9, A to D strings there. Slide that 9 to 11 real quick on the D, so we got rest. Back to that 9. And we have 2 quick 9s, and then 7, 9. So it's rest. Okay, so rest. 7, 9, 9 to 11, rest. Okay, so some 9s there at the end, little staccatos every now and again. Double bend, double again. Okay, so that's how that one ends. Now we're into guitar 2. So this one's gonna have a 2 strings rake and a 6th fret of the D string half step up. Up and down. 4 to 2 pull off, back to 4 in the D string. Do it again. Okay, now this 3rd one's gonna be a little different, a little more stuff. Okay, so 4, 2, 4 in the D. 4, 4, 4. A couple staccatos there, and then. 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 2. 4, 5, 7. So that last one. Okay, we wait a little bit, come back. 2 bends. Okay, same ending there. Now guitar 3 is gonna rake 3 strings and hit the 4th fret of the G string. Nice and slow, up and down. 2 to 1 pull off on the G, back to 2. Do it again. Nice and slow bend. Next one. 4/4/4 on the D. 4/4/4/4/4 on the A. And then you have a 2, 2/4, 6. Kind of slide them up, slur it a little bit. Then there's a little lead phrase here. We're going to punch in a couple harmony notes. Rest. Okay, so those 2 7s on the D, that's where we punch in. So we got rest. Kind of works out like that, right? Then we're going to double bend that 4. Okay, a little review. We got next one's going to add a bass note. Lead, rest. Harmony notes. Okay, you get into that type of stuff. Now guitar 2 is 6th fret of the D string, half step. And this is great practice for getting your bends to the right pitch, you know. Next one, we add some bass notes at the end. Last phrase, before the little lead interlude. Okay, little lead happens. And on this guitar track, we just wait for the double bend thing. Now guitar 3, let's look at that 4th fret G string. 2/1/2. Do that again. Third one, we add the bass note at the end. Longer phrase here. Okay, lead. Dun, 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 dun. Couple 7s with the harmony. Double bend. Okay, so that's part 1 of Orion by Metallica. The great Cliff Burton on the bass. Amazing bass stuff on this. I'm pretty sure he had a big hand in writing this whole song, coming up with the harmony ideas and stuff. So more on Orion coming up someday soon. 2 pages of tabs with this. Hope you all dig it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.